Unlock the future of artificial intelligence with Nanoschool's TensorFlow and Keras for AI Full-Stack Foundations course. Join India's leading deep science learning organization for an NSTC-accredited course designed to transform your AI skills. Nanoschool is recognized as India's #1 AI school, offering unparalleled education in deep science learning. Your investment is safe with our 30-day refund policy, ensuring a risk-free learning experience. This course covers essential AI development, from basic Python to full-stack deployment. In just 5 weeks, you'll master building, training, and deploying deep learning models using TensorFlow and Keras. Go from foundational concepts to deploying full-stack AI solutions in real-world scenarios. Discover what awaits you in this comprehensive AI development track. You'll learn deep learning fundamentals like neural networks and backpropagation, all the way to exporting, serving, and deploying models for real-world use. Master TensorFlow Core with tensors and automatic differentiation, and rapidly prototype models using Keras high-level API for CNNs and RNNs. This course is ideal for anyone with basic Python knowledge, looking to transition into AI/ML engineering roles. Especially beneficial for engineering or data science students and professionals in the Delhi NCR region. Gain practical experience with exciting hands-on projects that solidify your learning. You'll build an image classifier, a time series forecaster, and a capstone project, an end-to-end deployed AI model. Explore the structured 5-week syllabus, offering over 45 hours of immersive learning and lifetime LMS access. Receive an learning refreshers to advanced training and production deployment, a testament to your deep learning mastery. Your expertise. This certificate is shareable on LinkedIn and widely recognized by Indian employers and startups in Delhi NCR. Don't miss this opportunity to supercharge your AI career. Enroll now for just 4,499 rupees.